Hi, I'm Nurafaranie Shuhada Binti Aseri, EM 1815470. The introduction of counseling group. A counseling group is usually comprised of 6 to 8 students who meet face to face with 1 or 2 trained group therapists and talk about what most concerns them. Members listen to each other and openly express thoughts and feelings about what other members do or say. These interactions give members an opportunity to increase understanding of self and others, try out new ways of being with others, and learn more effective ways to interact. The content of the group season is absolutely confidential. Members must commit to confidentiality, that is, they may talk about their own experience with whom they choose, but may not identify other members or what they say outside of group. When people interact freely with other group members, they tend to recreate the same patterns of interactions that happen to them outside of the group. This creates the opportunity for meaningful change or increased self-acceptance. With the help of the group leaders, members learn how their behavior affects other people. The group becomes a safe place to experiment with alternative ways of treating oneself and others, ways that can be more satisfying and successful. Many of us feel we are somehow weird or strange, or that some aspect of ourselves seems unacceptable because of our problem or the ways we feel. It is very encouraging and humanizing to learn that others have some similar difficulties, thoughts, and emotions.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Syarifah Binti Safawee, DM 1816544. So I want to present about advantages of group counselling. Okay, there are few advantages, which is the first is support system. Group counselling is a wonderful way to give support and receive support. Therapist who leads group counselling encourages the participant to learn on each other, share things they are struggling with, and help each other find ways to overcome. Participants can give each other advice and feedback in a way that positive, uplifting. Support groups are especially helpful for people who are experiencing grief, domestic violence, and trauma. Okay, number 2 is help move forward. One of things people struggle with is moving forward in their life after suffering loss or when they are going through something traumatic. Group counseling can help move forward because can encourage and support each other. Participants are more likely to move forward when they know other people in the group are holding them accountable for achieving their goals. The third is learn social skills. Some people are struggle with social situation and conversation. People who suffer from anxiety, depression, or mental disorder may find it especially difficult to exhibit social acceptable behavior at times. Group counseling teaches social conversation skills and help patients to develop crucial listening and understanding skills. Some patients who have antisocial disorder and phobias can slowly integrate into groups therapy as their progress in individual therapy goes on. The last one is cost effective. Group counseling is significantly cheaper than individual therapy, although the cost will vary from office to office. Most mental health care practices are able to bill for much less during group therapy. This is because more participant insurance can divvy out the cost. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurafaranie Binti Rohana, DEM 1815472. So, I'm gonna talk about the disadvantages of group counseling. The first one is too large groups suffer, which means not all group counseling efforts are completely successful. Group therapy suffer if a group is too large or small. Usually, group counseling works best when an experienced counselor can redirect a person who is sharing too much and allow equal time for people to share their ideas, problem, or opinion. The second one is personality clashes. Personality clash can happen due to the different nature of people. There will be some disagreement with the team when a problem is discussed. A dominating personality will try to rule the entire group that others can explain their opinion. The third one is intense personal discussion. This group counseling activity will sometimes make people curious about a certain thing. In this case, people will feel uncomfortable to play a certain role when they will be extremely abused. The last one is comment. While sharing the opinion, some of the group members will pass comment that will again leave the person in frustration. It can be rectified in a wholesome manner and also in an emotional way. The fear of receiving information and the comment given by the other participant will cause depression in the mind of a person. That's all the disadvantages of group counseling.
My name is Hasanah Binti Yusoff, DEM 1816490. I want to share the example of counseling group. Okay, first one is group assignment. Group assignment is a group formed with the aim of achieving a target goal. This group does not focus on changing individuals, but the emphasis is on chief in performing. Secondly is psychotherapy group. Okay, it's a counseling group that is caring and restorative. It focuses on members who suffer from chronic psychological disorders to correct emotional and normal behavior. The thirdly is development and experience group. This type of group aims to help individuals who are psychological help. Second is counseling or therapeutic group. The counseling group is a group formed to represent the real situation as best as possible. In this group, members will play a role in helping members with problems. And then self-help group. This group is different from another group, the counseling. It does not require expert leaders, as each member plays a role in sharing their experience. The last one is guidance group. Guidance group are usually conducted in schools in the process of guiding students. It revolves around conveying information conversation and does not involve in-depth exploration. That's all from me. Thank you.
In a conclusion, counseling group is usually comprised of 6 to 8 people who meet face-to-face with 1 or 2 trained group therapists and talk about what most concern them. Member listens to each other and openly express thoughts and feelings about other people, other member do or say. These interactions give member an opportunity to increase understanding of self and others, try out new way of being with others, and learn more effective way to interact. The content of the group session is absolutely confidential. Member must commit to confidentially that they may talk about their own experience with whom they choose, but many not identify other members or what they say outside of group. Thank you. That's all from us.